Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to make your logo bigger in Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace account, and then let's go to the website editor. So just click on website right here in the sidebar and then click on edit. So I have the title of my website right here, but I'm just using the text. So let's click on edit site header and then click on our site title and logo. Click on the edit button right here. And then if you are just using the text, we can't really change the size of that text, so we need to use a logo image. So let's just click on the plus button right here and then select from library, since I already have my logo right here. But if you don't have your logo yet, you can just upload your own image for your logo. And then if you have a different logo image for the mobile version of the website, you can add that as well, but I'll just use the same logo image, so I won't need to put any image right here. Then from here you can go ahead and change the size of your logo, so if you want to make it bigger or smaller. But you have two options right here. You have this option, the logo height, so this changes the height of the logo when you're using the desktop version of your Squarespace. And then this one, the mobile logo max height, so this one will be used if you are using the mobile version of your website. So for example, I'll just change the logo height right here. You can just go ahead and then drag the slider right here, or you can just type in here the preferred value that you want for the pixels. And then as you can see, the logo is now bigger. So you can just go ahead and adjust the size of your logo on the preferred height that you want to use. So for example, I want to use, let's stick at 100. And then if we go to the mobile version of the website, it will be stuck at 30 pixels. So we need to change that. And then just go ahead and then drag the slider right here. And as you can see, it changes its size according to the value. So maybe we'll put in here like 70 pixels. And then as you can see, the changes is now reflected in the website. So you can go ahead and save this, then exit. And then when you click on preview, as you can see, the logo is now bigger than it was before. And then if you go to the mobile version, as you can see, the logo is like this. So this is the size of the logo. And then that is it. So if you want to change the look of your logo, just go ahead and click on edit. So for example, if you want the logo to the left side, you can click on edit site header, edit design, and then just choose a layout right here that changes the placement of the elements in the header. But that's it. That is how we make the logo bigger in Squarespace. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.